Hey, what's up? This is my 1996 Acura Integra Ls. Just recently got this inside. It's a GReddy TIC exhaust catback. I'm running a random technology cat. Sounds pretty nice. Only thing is that it has the silencer right there. And I'm probably going to take that off later on tonight, and I'll probably do another video for the different sounds. Writing is really quiet, but it sounds nice either way. But I'm gonna see how it sounds like without it. But I'm gonna start it up, let you figure out how it sounds. This is a cold start, so we'll see what happens, and I'll rev it a little bit.